You can set up groups for your students under Manage My Students, Manage Groups. We highly recommend setting up groups, as it can be easier for you to manage your students based on different criteria, such as their performance or learning levels. Here, we have created groups based on student learning levels. Do note that one student can only belong to one group. Let's create a group. Name the group, select the students, and it's done. If you wish to add more students to a group, go into the group, select the students, and save. To delete a group, go into the group and select Delete. Deleting a group unassigns students from that group. Groups come into play when assigning and managing activities and viewing reports. Let's assign an activity, and we're going to assign it only to the Level 4 group. We're going to filter by Year 4 activities only. And let's assign this. Now, if we go to Manage Activities, we can see that it has been assigned only to the Level 4 group. Likewise, under Reports, you can filter by groups and focus on those specific students.